الدرس الرابع lesson 4 الحيوان والذكاء animals and intelligence. This is the passage and it begins by saying مما لا شك فيه أن هناك بعض المخلوقات غير الإنسان تتمتع بذكاء خاص. There is no doubt that there are some non-human creatures that possess special intelligence. So here مما لا شك فيه means there is no doubt. It's an expression which means undoubtedly أن هناك that there are بعض المخلوقات some creatures or some creations غير الإنسان non-human تتمتع possess ذكاء خاص special intelligence. So we know that humans are the ones that has great intelligence from all the creations. So and all other creations intelligence is limited when compared to humans, but there are some non-human creatures or creations that have special intelligence. وأخص بالذكر الحيوانات فتجد في بعض الكتب قصصا عن جواسيس من الحيوانات فبعضهم يؤكد ذلك وبعضهم الآخر يرى أن هذه الحيوانات متهمة خطأ. Making special mention of animals, you will find in some books stories about spies among animals. Some of them, means some people confirm this. Some people confirm this that these animals are spies, while others think that these animals are falsely accused. So because of the great intelligence that these animals have, some people think that these animals are spies, and some think that they are falsely accused of being spies. أخص بالذكر means special mention. الحيوانات animals. تجد في بعض الكتب, you will find in some books قصص stories عن جواسيس about spies. بعضهم, some of them, يؤكد confirms. بعضهم الآخر, others, يرى أن هذه الحيوانات, think that these animals are متهمة خطأ, falsely accused. أو من الجدير بالذكر أن هذه الحيوانات لم تكن لتعمل أو تتهم بالتجسس لولا تتمتع بموهبة وذكاء خاص. It is worth noting that these animals would not be used to work or accused of spying if they didn't possess this talent and special intelligence. So this means that the only reason why these animals are used for these special work, or they are called as spies by these people, and the only reason for that is because they had special talent and intelligence. من الجدير بالذكر, it is worth mentioning. So جدير is worth and ذكر is mentioning. أن هذه الحيوانات, that these animals لم تكن لتعمل, would not have been used for work or would not have worked. أو تتهم بالتجسس, or accused of spying. تتهم is to be accused and تجسس is spying. لولا تتمتع ب, if they didn't possess, تتمتع is to possess, موهبة, talent, ذكاء خاص, special intelligence. The first case that we're going to mention is محاكمة قرد, the trial of the monkey. So this is a story about a monkey that was trialed for being accused of spy. So it says that يحكى أن مدينة صغيرة تسمى هارتبول تقع في شمال شرق إنجلترا على ساحل البحر. So the trial of the monkey, it is said that a small city called Hartlepool is located in the northeast of England on the sea coast. So muhakama is trial. Qird is monkey. Yuhka means it is said. Madina Saghira is small city called Tusamma Hartlepool. Taqa'u fi is located Shamal Sharq, northeast of Ingiltara, England. وفي يوم من الأيام اشتعلت سفينة. One day a ship was caught on fire. ودمرت سفينة أمام هذا الساحل. And the ship was destroyed in front of the coast. So one day a ship was on fire and this ship was destroyed in front of this coast that the people were living. So في يوم من الأيام is one day. اشتعلت, caught on fire. سفينة, سفينة is ship. دمرت is destroyed. أمام, in front of هذا الساحل, this coast. ومن الغريب أن الناجية الوحيدة كان قردا يرتدي ملابس رسمية. So the strange thing was the only survivor was a monkey dressed in formal wear. So everyone in that ship died except this monkey, and this monkey was wearing a formal attire. So al-gharib is strange. Al-naji al-wahid means the only survivor. Al-naji is survivor, al-wahid is only. Kana was qird, a monkey, يرتدي, he was wearing ملابس رسمية, formal clothes. تقول الأسطورة أن سكان المدينة أقاموا محكمة على الشاطئ. The legend says that the people of the city set up a court on the beach. ثم وجهوا للقرد اتهاما بالتجسس, and they accused the monkey of spying. So because the whole ship was destroyed, it was caught on fire, and everyone passed away except this monkey. Everyone accused this monkey of spying after setting up a court for the trial of this monkey. So تقول means says, الأسطورة, the legend. سكان المدينة, people of the city, أقاموا, they set up a محكمة, court. الشاطئ is beach. ثم then وجهوا اتهاما, they accused التجسس, spying. Next is أسود البحر والدلافين المدربة. They are sea lions and trained dolphins. So first we talk about the sea lions. عملت أسود البحر في مدينة كاليفورنيا في تحديد السباحين الذين يشك في أمرهم. Sea lions worked in California city to identify suspicious swimmers. So here أسود البحر is sea lions, where we all know Asad means lion, so أسود is lions, the plural. البحر is sea. الدلافين المدربة, الدلافين is the plural of dolphin, and الدلافين المدربة is trained. عملت worked in مدينة California city, and they worked in تحديد, identifying سباحين, swimmers, الذين, those who يشك في أمرهم, means suspicious. So they worked in identifying any suspicious swimmers. And how were they able to do that? And they're going to mention that فتتميز هذه الأسود بقدرات بصرية خارقة. These lions are characterized by extraordinary visual abilities. And so this is the reason why they were able to work in this field. And فقد عمل منها 50 أسدا بحريا. 50 sea lions from them had worked. So تتميز ب means characterized by. So we're talking about هذه الأسود, these lions. And قدرات is abilities, and basariya is visual. So they have extraordinary visual abilities. خارقة is extraordinary. فقد عمل منها, had worked from them 50 أسدا بحريا, and that is 50 sea lions. أما الدلافين البحرية ذات الأنف الذي يشبه الزجاج. Now they will talk about the dolphins, and they say as for the marine dolphins with noses that resemble glasses. So this was the description of these dolphins. They had noses that resemble glass. ففي الجيش الأمريكي تم استخدام الدلافين في اكتشاف الألغام تحت الماء. In the US military, dolphins were used to discover underwater mines واستعادة الأشياء المفقودة, and to recover lost objects. So these dolphins, they were able to work for the US military, and they were used to discover underwater mines and recover any lost objects. So أما الدلافين البحرية means as for the marine dolphins, ذات الأنف with noses, الذي that يشبه resemble الزجاج glass. في الجيش الأمريكي in the US military, on the American military, تم استخدام is used في اكتشاف is discovering الألغام, which is mines تحت الماء, underwater, and استعادة is recovering الأشياء المفقودة, lost objects. حيث ساعدتها قدرتها الطبيعية في تحديد المواقع باستخدام الصدى المائي, where their natural ability helped them to locate sites using underwater echoes. So حيث means where, ساعدتها means helped, قدرتها الطبيعية, the natural ability, في تحديد المواقع, to locate sites, باستخدام, by using الصدى المائي, underwater echoes. So they had this natural ability to locate sites, and so by using the underwater echoes they were able to locate sites. And finally we have الحوت الأبيض المرجاني, which is the coral white whale. في مدينة برلين يحكي الصيادون أنهم شاهدوا حوتا أبيض ساحرا. in the city of Berlin, fishermen narrate that they saw a charming white whale. يسبح ويتصرف بلطف مع القوارب. And this white whale was swimming and behaving gently with the boats. They were acting friendly with the boats. على الرغم من أن الحيتان ليست صديقة للبشر. Although whales are not friendly to humans. So this was the strange thing about these whales. They were behaving very friendly to humans in the boats. And they described it as charming white whale. So this was very strange. So here al-Hut al-Abyad al-Marjani is coral white whale. So Hut is whale, al-Abyad is white, and al-Marjani is coral. Madinah to Berlin is city of Berlin. Yahki is narrate. Sayyadun, fishermen, shahadu, that they saw Hutan, a whale, Abyad, which is white, Sahiran, charming, Yasbahu, swimming, يتصرف, behaving, بلطف, gently, مع القوارب, with the boats, على الرغم من, although الحيتان is whales, ليست, not, صديقة للبشر, friendly with humans. وهذا ما جعل الناس تعتقد أن هذا الحوت الأبيض المرجاني الذي يصل طوله إلى 14 قدما ووزنه إلى 3000 باوندا جاسوسا سريا. And this is what made people believe that this coral white whale that reaches 14 feet in length and weighs up to 3,000 pounds is a secret spy, because this whale was unusually behaving friendly to the humans around there. هذا ما جعل, and this is what made الناس, people, تعتقد أن, believe that هذا الحوت الأبيض المرجاني, this coral white whale, الذي يصل, that reaches, طوله, its length, 14 is 14, قدما, feet, وزنه, its weight, is إلى 3000 باوندا, which is pounds, جاسوسا, spy, and سريا means secret.